Here's a door, and those are the hinges. And to adjust the door, because let's say this was not closing on the lower side, only on the top side. So to make that adjustment, we have to remove the cover. The cover is this portion. It's one plastic, it doesn't have an opening at this end, and I could not remove it with my naked hand, but using a flathead screwdriver, just push the corner towards you a little bit, and it comes off. So this portion has to be disconnected. I already damaged it a little bit. Probably that's not the best way to remove it. And that's the other portion which is holding it. This is not really moving backward. And inside there is that mechanism that requires a hexagonal key. And by rotating it, this is not hexagonal, by rotating it you can push the door outside or push it inside, to the right or to the left. By rotating this one to the left, this door went to the right. So by loosening it, it was pushed towards the middle, and by tightening it, it can be pushed, I guess, outside to the left. And to put it back, just insert this one there behind. This is connected and that just pushed in. Let's try to remove the next one. I'm going to remove it from below. Now it came off. This way hopefully that mark will not be visible. Same thing, it's pushing the door to the left or to the right. This one. Was removed. So that's how to adjust these type of doors. The same thing is on the right side also. And this door was not closing on the bottom. So these were closing somewhere on the top portion, but they were not closing down here and here. They were not entering into these, they were in front of it somewhere here. They were moving up and down. They did not enter inside so that they would come out, that is, the door can open, and when it's in it is locked. And by pushing the entire door to the right, now it's closing. The cylindrical is in contact with this one, so it enters behind it, because before it was not in contact, so you could close the door and that would not block the door. Okay, now I'm pushing the handle down. That one is going above it. I can close the door, and now when I lift it up, that enters behind and the door is locked, it's not moving. Before you could pull this portion out.